Ever wondered how a tiny electrical component can control massive amounts of power? Or how a simple switch can protect your expensive electronics? The answer lies in a device called a relay. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's ask a more fundamental question. What exactly is a relay, and why do we need it? Imagine this: you're in a dark room. Flicking a tiny switch on your wall illuminates the entire room. How is that possible? Well, that's where our friend, the relay, comes into play. Now, let's break it down. A relay is essentially an electrical switch on steroids. It's a device that uses a small electrical current to control a much larger electrical circuit. Think of it like a remote control for your electronics, but on a much smaller scale. So, what are the two main purposes of this unassuming component? Purpose number 1, isolation. Isolation, in this context, means separating two electrical circuits. Why would we want to do that? Well, for starters, it's about safety. Picture a scenario where you're controlling a high-voltage motor. You wouldn't want the control circuit, which might be low voltage, to be directly connected to the motor. That's where the relay steps in. It acts as a barrier, preventing any electrical leakage or short circuits. But safety isn't the only reason. Isolation also improves performance. Let's say you have a sensitive electronic device that needs to control a powerful motor. If you directly connected the two, the motor's electrical noise could interfere with the device's operation. By using a relay, you create a clean separation, ensuring that the device functions optimally. Purpose number 2, amplification. This might sound surprising, but relays can actually amplify electrical signals. How? Well, a small electrical current flowing through the relay's coil can generate a much larger current through its contacts. This amplification is crucial in many applications. For instance, let's consider a car. The signal from your tiny car key can trigger a relay to activate the starter motor, which requires a significantly higher current to turn over the engine. It's like using a lever to lift a heavy object. A small force applied at one end results in a much larger force at the other. Relays are the unsung heroes of our electronic world. From the simple act of turning on a light to controlling complex industrial machinery, they play a vital role. Their ability to isolate and amplify electrical signals makes them indispensable in countless applications. So, the next time you flip a switch or start your car, take a moment to appreciate the little relay working behind the scenes. It's a small component with a big impact. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.